Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I made another purchase today. As you can see, got some constitutional silver. A little bit different than how I normally get it. I think my guy has been threatening to run out for a while, and I think we're starting to see the signs of things getting pretty light on his side. But still, was able to get it for a great price again, and I'm pretty happy about that. I'll take that any day of the week. And so today he contacted me, said he had a little bit, and I wanted to catch up, so I met him, and let's see what I got. Okay, so here I've got it spread out quite a bit, but it's really 5, 6, 7, 8 halves, so $4 in halves. Got $1 in dimes. Got some great looking quarters. Wait till you see what these look like. And some peace dollars. Now, I'm not a big fan of the peace dollars. It's not that I don't like them. It's just that I don't like to pay the premium for them. But he gave me these for a great deal, so I figured I'd pick up a couple of them. So why don't we take a closer look at these. I believe these are 5 Franklins here. 62, a 52, a 63, 51, and another 51. So I'll take these out of the flips. There's really no reason. I don't like to keep my stuff in the flips, so I'll pop these out later and put them in the tubes. I usually keep them. And there is a key date for the semi-key date, at least for the Franklins, and those are 1955s, and I don't see a whole lot of those in there, maybe once in a while. Here's a kind of cool looking Walker, right? Let me take it out of the flip. I'm not going to leave it in there anyway. It's just how he gave it to me. It's a 1943. Just has some cool tone anyway. Really highlights that eagle, doesn't it? So that's pretty cool. Got another Walker here. This one looks like it may have been cleaned. Pretty shiny. Yeah, you can see how it's all shiny, and then the crevices, it's dirty. It's a sign of it being cleaned. This is a 1939. Still a very nice coin. And pretty much it's just 90% silver, so clean, dirty, doesn't really matter to me overall. Prefer it not to be clean, but and these are really nice. 64 Kennedy. Backsides are beautiful on this coin. I love the backside of this coin. Pretty nice, huh? Got a little toning on there, but overall beautiful coin. So again, we have $4 in halves, 8 of them here. I'm not sure what kind of dimes he gave me. It looks like most of them are Mercuries, which is going to be fine for my tube I'm trying to get filled up. That Mercury appears to be in very good shape. I don't know if it's cleaned or not. It doesn't look like it's clean. So that's a very nice rosy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 2 other rosies. I'm going to tell you something. If these Mercuries aren't clean, these things are in great shape. Let me put one over here in the coin cam. Let's take a look at it. Take a look at this one. Focus. So yeah, it might not be as in good a shape as I thought it was now that I've zoomed in on it. That's okay though. I'm not expecting expensive coins for what I'm paying for them. So yeah, it's still pretty nice. So let's throw another one under there. 1941. There we go, right there. Very nice. So anyway, yeah, pretty good. I'll take those. So 2 rosies and 8 Mercuries. Pretty cool. And over here, I got this beautiful roll. Quarters. I mean, look at the sides of these things. As I bang them all up and Look at these things, huh? Those things are gorgeous. Let's take a look at these. Look at those, man. Those are really, really nice. Wow. He told me I had a nice roll of quarters. Those are some nice quarters for sure. Man. Mostly 64s, which is fine with me. You know, I'm a silver stacker, so I like to get as much silver as possible. So maybe we should put those on the scale and see what they weigh. This got to be the 0.7234, not the 0.715. And then we have the peace dollars, and the peace dollars are also in very good condition. The thing I look for on a peace dollar is the feathers on the bird. Those will wear off really quick. So we got a nice looking peace dollar. This one's got some fingerprints on it. Take a look at those feathers. I'm not going to zoom in, but let's take a closer look over here. It's got some black stuff on it. But the feathers, you can see the feathers are in pretty good shape. Let me get one that doesn't have so much smudge on it. There we go. It's got a couple scratches on there. Let's take a look at one more. So yeah, these are in pretty good shape. Paid $15 a piece for them, so it's pretty close to melt. I think that's only like $1 over spot on them. And so that's pretty cool. So that was a pretty cool deal. Let me flip back over here. And so yeah, pretty nice, huh? So all this stuff, $4, $1, and $10. So $15 worth of constitutional silver. I paid $3.53 below spot for. So $3.53. So take our calculator, 15 times 0.715. So there's over 10 ounces, 10.72 troy ounces of silver right here. Doesn't include the peace dollars. We multiply by 3.53, we know that I saved almost $38 off of the spot price. So yeah, I really, really like getting it for such a great price. It's really, really cool. And so why don't we weigh these quarters? Just kind of curious how much they weigh. Get my scale out here, and we'll weigh them in troy ounces. Let me remove these. Got a tube that I've been keeping those in. Let me move these. Put them on top over here. I don't know if we're going to be able to see the numbers. Usually the numbers don't show up very well. But I'll tell you what they say. I want to make sure I'm in troy ounces. OZT it says over here. See if we can see it. OZT. Can't really see that small little. Those are troy ounces. Let's tear it. So 5, 10. So we're going to keep going here. There's 15. Oh, this is probably the nicest roll of quarters I ever bought. There's 20. There's 25. There's 30. There's 35. He told me he had a really nice roll of quarters. He wasn't kidding, boy. And there's 40. So 8.03 troy ounces. So if I go to the junk silver guide and I calculate that, they're saying the price on that should have been $126.62. We take 8.03 and we multiply by 0.90. That gives us 7.227 ounces. And so you use that as your calculation, as you know, it's just slightly underneath BU. BU is 7.234. So what I pay for it is 7.15. As you can see here, it's more than 7.15. So it's even a better deal because 8.02 troy ounces, again, I think it was 03 before, but 8.02 times 0.9, it's 7.21 ounces. So that's good. That's more than the calculation that we've been using. So there's good amount of silver in here. Over 7 ounces just in these quarters. So anyway, as you can see, we've got a good amount of silver here, and we got some good condition silver too for the most part. I'll take that shiny roll of quarters anytime. Love what I got there. That's pretty cool. So that's it for now, folks. Again, we got these 4-piece dollars, 15 bucks a piece. All this stuff for $3.53 below spot. So just another incredible pickup, and I hope my resource continues to get a hold of me, but very, very soon here I think we're going to be coming to the end. And he's selling a lot of dollars out of these piece dollars, and he's had some Morgans, but the Morgans haven't been in great shape, and I've been buying a few of them, but you know, a piece dollar for 15 bucks I'll take, but I'd really prefer to just keep buying the constitutional silver at 3, 4, and even last week picked it up for over $5 below spot. So I think he'll keep it coming if he can, but you know, his source is I think running a little dry. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.